13 on Your Side Weather Deck is sponsored by Montel Construction, your home team.
Good Friday morning, West Michigan. For the most part, a very easy going start to this last day of the work week before the holiday weekend. In fact, you step outside right now, still another half hour before the setting full moon goes below the horizon. That's in the southwest half of the sky. But from back to a weather standpoint, we have been lacking in a little bit in the way of rainfall this month. In fact, much of West Michigan, anywhere between a quarter inch to even 3/4 of an inch below where we should be in terms of rainfall during the month of May, at least through the first 22 days of the month. So we could use a little bit of rain. We don't want it really for the holiday weekend. We do have the opportunity here and there over the next few days of some showers and storms, and that's why your 13 weather ball is blinking red. Warmer temperatures ahead today, but also some rain in sight.
The 13 on Your Side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
Big picture, well, we're waking up to quiet skies, and it will remain quiet much of today, but our focus turns to a line of thunderstorms quickly racing to the east across portions of Iowa now, and that will be our focus towards the end of today, really this evening, as those thunderstorms arrive at our doorstep. This is all because of a cold front that will sweep through West Michigan as well by the end of tonight and be out of here by tomorrow morning. In the meantime, out ahead of that cold front, it'll be warm today, warmer than even yesterday. Yesterday we were in the 70s. Today, as our wind turns a bit more out of the south, even to the south and east, everyone today will climb at least into the lower 80s. Wouldn't be surprised our warmest spots at the lakeshore will be in the middle 80s when it's all said and done. So we'll have some heat today, at least warmer than where we usually stand at this point of the year. Our hour-by-hour forecast showcasing a quiet day. Skies will increase in cloud coverage this afternoon, but you're still 3, 4 in the afternoon. We're remaining under dry skies. But notice on the other side of Lake Michigan, those thunderstorms starting to approach. That will finally arrive by about 7, 8 this evening. And these thunderstorms do provide a severe weather risk, especially closer to the lakeshore as they hold on to their momentum. We could easily see some stronger wind gusts on the leading edge of these thunderstorms before they weaken pretty quickly as they progress farther inland. We'll be left with a few run-of-the-mill showers, a few rumbles of thunder as well past midnight. This is the middle of the night now tonight, before finally all of this clears just in time for tomorrow. And tomorrow will be a very nice day. But in the meantime, this evening's thunderstorms do provide a severe weather risk, a level 1 risk shaded in green here to even a level 2 risk from Ottawa County to the state line. And our main focus with these thunderstorms will be the possibility of some stronger winds, maybe even damaging winds as those thunderstorms arrive, especially if they can hold on to their momentum. In terms of the weekend forecast, a little bit of a split forecast. Tomorrow's a beautiful day. Sunshine returns to the forecast completely start to finish on the back end of the holiday weekend, especially Sunday, the second half of the day into Monday. We'll have some thunderstorms and even some cooler temperatures by Memorial Day itself. So here it is. Saturday's a nice day if you're heading up north. Beautiful day up north as well for tomorrow. But starting Sunday, we have another round of thunderstorms arriving. This will be in the afternoon to the evening. We need to keep an eye on yet another severe weather risk later in the day on Sunday, and then we'll hold on to a few wraparound showers with some windy conditions on Monday. And again, it will be cooler on Memorial Day, only in the 60s. Today, we're in the 80s across the board. Much of the day will be dry, but late today, really this evening, 7, 8 o'clock or so, that's when we'll see those thunderstorms arrive at the lakeshore. 13 on Your Side, 10-day outlook. So Saturday is nice. Sunday, the second half of the day into Monday, unfortunately for the holiday weekend, looking a little bit on the stormy side, and then even cooler on Monday. We'll be in the 60s all the way through Tuesday and even into Wednesday.